Here I have an older air handler with 3 evaporator coils, and as you see, they're fin and tube, the old style coils. These are R22 units. There's 3 evaporator coils and 3 separate chillers. This is right here, this is the supply air. These 2 blowers you'll see pull the air through the coils and discharge it down into the main duct. You don't see huge condensate pans like that anymore. It's quite an interesting system. And here is the return fan, and this sucks up from the return plenum and pushes it towards those evaporator coils. Kind of a cool system.